It's beautiful. I got my blood test results. Unfortunately, it's not very good. So I'm down 4.1 kilos now, which is fantastic, getting close to my 5 kilo mark. So it's time to lose these quarantine kilos. In the lineup.
Happy birthday, darling. Oh, where's your gift?
Do you wanna?
Let me see if I have your sizes.
Take it all in. I still can't really good clothes, but I'm happy to be there.
Gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh wow.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Wow. Cheers. Can't believe I have a love ring. So beautiful. So focused. Just having a margarita and a beer. And we're just across Maya. What an awesome day. This is the funniest hotel. It's called the QT in Sydney. It's got crazy artwork. I'll show you around. So I've just been to Cartier. There I am. Hello. Hello, hello. We're gonna go and get ready for dinner soon. And they've got this funny little artwork up here. It'll move. Here she is. And then this is our room. So I thought I'd show you what Cartier also gave us to congratulate us on our wedding anniversary. Gave us some champagne. I'm so happy about that. And we got a bargain. We went to Chic and they had, granted it is pleather, but no animals were harmed in the making of this jacket. It is absolutely freezing here in Sydney and I only bought dresses, so that was not smart of me. But this was $159.95, so 160 down to 49, and then they gave me another 10% off. So as much as I wasn't planning on wearing a jacket over my pretty dress, I will be now because it is like Arctic winds and snowing in the Blue Mountains, so it's freezing. We also got the ring engraved. It says S Heart M 280913, and that's the date of our wedding. Isn't that pretty? I'm so in love with this. Very, very special. I got the good stuff. Here is week 16's meal plan. We start the day with coffee, and breakfast is a Wheat Bix protein smoothie. Snack 1 is a banana, but I did mix it into the smoothie. Lunch is a chicken salad panini, which was delicious. Snack 2 is the raspberry and oat yogurt bowl. Dinner is a garlic rosemary chicken tray bake, and dessert is trail mix. For breakfast, we've got a Wheat Bix protein smoothie. And also here is snack 1 as well, which is the banana. We've got frozen mixed berries. I choose to use the Happy Mammoth prebiotic collagen protein. That's a tongue twister. I do also have the whey protein, which is what Equalution says for me to use, but I just don't like how thick and fluffy it makes the smoothies, so I'm not really into this one. But I do really like this, and it has no taste, so it's great. And unsweetened almond milk. Here is the cholesterol lowering smoothie. And here are the ingredients for the paninis. We've got chicken breast, the ciabatta rolls. They are so good. Shredded carrot, and this cheese is really nice as well. For 50% less fat, it's actually really good. Chicken salad panini. These rolls are so delicious. They're the rustic rolls. I actually got these ones from Coles, even though they did say to get them from Woolworths, but I think they're the same thing. Here are the ingredients for my raspberry yogurt oat bowl. It's for snack 2. I had to use frozen raspberries, but these are organic and delicious, and I just couldn't get the fresh ones from our local grocers. We've got the YoPro protein yogurt and this stuff. Well, as you may be aware, that my cholesterol levels aren't good still, unfortunately. Something, we're hoping it's not just genetic. So I've got 2 months to try and get it down, and the doctor has made me go onto this stuff. So it's the Betaglucare. It doesn't taste too bad. It tastes like what I imagine rabbit food to taste like. It's pretty ordinary, and this is what the team at Equalution came up with to make it taste a bit better, and it does. They're very cute little love hearts, but this actually creates this sort of gel in your stomach, and it helps break down the cholesterol, so by your body creating more bile. So if you have high cholesterol, you should give this a go. I'm hoping it will work. So I've got 2 months to get my cholesterol levels down before I need to try medication. Fingers crossed this works. Here is the raspberry yogurt bowl. It's in my little coconut. That's the Betaglucare, the little love hearts. They're made of special oats for my cholesterol, raspberries and yogurt. So here we have the ingredients for our garlic and rosemary chicken tray bake. The veggies, some olives. I really like the Tuscan mix at Woolworths, so I get that one. Garlic, onion and paprika. These are the herbs from our garden. And this olive oil, if you've had this olive oil, you know how good it is, and you can't have anything else once you've had it. It's quite dangerous actually. So if I'm going to have olive oil, assuming I haven't been allowed to the last 16 weeks, I'm going to have this good one. So this is delicious. It's just perfect to even have just with bread. But I'm going to have a little bit drizzled on top of mine, assuming I can have it, and some chicken breast. The roast chicken and vegetables. And here is dessert. It is supposed to be the Lucky's trail mix, but I couldn't find that one at our grocery store. So I just got this one thinking that, well, protein's good, so giving that one a go. So I started on the Betaglucare 3 days ago, and this is what's happened. I'm so bloated. I can't even like hold it in. It just is that bloated. It's crazy. It's all sludgy and painful. So I've just touched base with the Equalution team and I'm just waiting to hear what they think I should do. But I know I should be taking it because it's getting rid of the cholesterol, but I don't know what to do. I really hope you enjoyed coming along on our anniversary. So this is part 1 of 3. So in reality, this week I had my period, I was macked out, didn't go anywhere, didn't even really work out. I think I only worked out twice this week. So what you're seeing in the vlog is the future me. And in reality, I didn't do very much. So I just actually even had a day off work because I wasn't feeling well. So it hasn't been a very good week, nothing to vlog, so that's why I'm really happy that I've got a lot of footage that I can share with you on our holiday. This week I had a lot of bloating. I did have my monthly, which I don't normally have. I do sort of use the pill to skip it, but every couple of months I'll have my period, and I do that because I do suffer with hormonal headaches or migraines. I mean, I've had my kids and I won't be having any more, so the doctor said it's okay to do that, and I don't see the point in me suffering every month to have a period and then just be macked out, not being able to go to work and take care of my family, that type of thing. So I do that, but I do suffer quite badly with bloating and everything else that all us girls do. So I did my blood test and I got my blood test results. Unfortunately, it's not very good. I did go up, so I am now, my cholesterol was at 7.8 and it's now at 8.0. I really wish I did the blood test before I started Equalution, which I didn't. So it could have actually been a lot higher than that before because of lockdown and I ate all that junk food. Maybe it spiked then. Have no real way of knowing, so this is where I'm at now. So my triglycerides are at 2.5 and they should be no higher than 1.7. My HDL cholesterol is 2.4 and it shouldn't be any higher than 2.1, and my LDL cholesterol is 4.5 and that shouldn't be any higher than 3.5. And with the cholesterol I am at 8 and it shouldn't be any higher than 5.5. So the doctor does want me to go on medication. I'm just begged them to give me a couple of months, so before I do go onto it. I have tried it before and I had a really bad reaction to Lipitor. So they said that they do have some different options I can try, but I really want to give it a go first, and Equalution's behind me and they want to give it a go as well. So they've started me on the Betaglucare, so I'll give that a go this week and fingers crossed that works. Fiber's not a good thing for me. My stomach doesn't like it. So I'm a bit nervous about how it's gonna go, but I've just got to take it on. I have no option. So for my week 16 results, I actually lost 0. 0, 0, 0. Yeah, no weight, no measurements. I'm exactly the same as last week. So definitely think that the Betaglucare had something to do with it. Definitely think that it was because I had my monthly and I was just really puffy. Really happy that I didn't put on any weight, so that was a big bonus. But yes, that's my results. So I'm down 4.1 kilos now, which is fantastic, getting close to my 5 kilo mark. Total measurements, I lost 4 centimeters off my arms, 21 centimeters off my hips, 13 centimeters off my waist, and 10 centimeters off my thighs. So that's where I'm at. I'm just really enjoying it. I'm not stressing about it. In the beginning, when you see my earlier vlogs, I really stressed out that I wasn't losing weight really fast, because I think when you go on a weight loss thing, you just think it's going to happen in 2 weeks. So you see all these, you see all these diets and people having all these big successes, and they do it in like 2 weeks. I don't know how anyone does that. Or well, actually I do. I have done that before and it wasn't good, and I starved most of the time, and then it all came back on and more. So this is at least now, you know, little bit by little bit, but I'm actually keeping it off. So that's the main thing. I'm living in these little sets. I got it from Cotton On. I've got the pink one, the black one, and I'm just living in them. So they're really cute. See, the shorts aren't too short, which is great, especially for us older girls that are on 45. So I don't feel, you know, some of them are like right up here, and that's not for me anymore. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and come and join my Instagram family. We're over 800 now, so woohoo! So happy with that. I'm just happy and grateful that you're all a part of my journey and watching, and you know, any questions, please ask. I'm loving all my DMs. I've got so many beautiful little friends in there now, and I love you all so much. If you enjoyed my vlog, please like and subscribe, as it really supports my channel. Lets me know that I'm doing a good job and that you're enjoying watching. I have been putting the videos on Instagram as well, on IGTV, but I'm actually thinking I might not do that anymore because I have to keep it at 15 minutes. And that's a real struggle for me. I actually have to cut it down so much to get it to 15 minutes to fit on IGTV, where I can just have it at whatever on Instagram. So I'm actually going to, as of this week, not put it on Instagram anymore. So if you do want to follow my vlogs, please come across, just click the link in my bio and it'll take you to my YouTube channel. And then if you and then please like, and then hit the little bell, and then that will give you notifications of when every week I upload. But I am uploading every week, so please check back. And so I hope you all have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye guys.
Join our family. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.